Good evening. Good evening.
Welcome to this presentation.
Okay.
My name is Pandu Septian. I'm here as a moderator
Oh,
and Mr. Andre as the presenter. Before we start, this presentation will be separate in two sessions. 2 minutes for presentation and 2 minutes for the Q&A session. So today, Mr. Andre will talk about the making a good first impression.
Interesting.
Are you interested on this topic?
Interesting. Very interesting.
Very
Very interesting.
Welcome, Mr. Andre.
Mr. Pandu for the introduction, and thank you for everyone who attends this presentation. Today, I'm Andreas Wiraniagara will present about making a good first impression. And this is quite a unique and interesting topic because when you can make a good first impression, you can bring opportunities to you, such as when you got interview in job interview, and also when selling a product like as I do in my daily work. So I will talk about making a good first impression, especially in selling a digital product. Okay, for the presentation itself, it will be in two sessions. The first one, the presentation itself, and the second one, the Q&A session. And this is why it's important to make a good first impression. So when you can make a good first impression, you can build trust to your buyers, and then you can show your value that your product can be used by your buyers, and it can ensure the product to feel easy to use also. And then finally, if you can make the good first impression to your buyers, it can lead to a better sales opportunities. And this is some tips that I can share to you to make a good first impression when you are selling a digital product. The first one is the professional branding. You can make the slide clean, consistent, and mobile friendly also for your application. And then also you can clear your value proposition and not too long sentences, just 1 until 2 sentences. Also you can build trust from testimonials, reviews, and also guarantees for money back if your product is not fulfill their hopes or their needs. And then also you can make strong visuals for mock-up and demo video. The next is you can highlight your product uniqueness, so you can stand out from other competitors. And then you can make clear CTA or call to action, like try for free now and then get started for trying your product. And the last is customer-centric tone. You can show the benefit, not just the features of your product. So the conclusion of this presentation, the first impression of selling and making a good impression to selling a product is the same with the key to sales success. And then don't forget to, when you are going to make a good first impression, make your product, it will make your product trustworthy, valuable, and easy to use. And then finally, when you can make the good first impression when you are selling your product, it can boost your sales and then bring you more opportunities to your company. I think it's end of my presentation. Maybe it's time for the Q&A. Mr. Pandu, please.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Andre. Now is the Q&A session, but due to limited time, we will just answer one question from the audience. So, do you have, okay, what is your question, please?
Thank you, Mr. Moderator.
Okay.
I have a question. If you were a customer, which call to action would to attract more, learn more, or try free now, and why?
Okay, thank you for the question. I think if you want to do the call to action, it's better to use try for free because it can direct and encourage the buyers to try your product directly.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Andre.
Okay, thank you for your answer, and I hope this presentation is useful for all of us.
Interesting.
Amazing.
Thank you for attending this presentation, and see you on the next event.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.